The motion to approve fails 4-7.
Madam Chair, point of personal privilege.
Go ahead, Mr. Mayor.
Madam Chair, in respect to the Assembly, I thought it'd be a good time to introduce my new Chief of Staff, Sammy Graham. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Would members of the public please refrain from clapping? Thank you. And shouting. Okay.
Madam Chair,
Yes, Mr. Vice Chair?
I would like to be the first to welcome the new Mayor's Chief of Staff.
Okay, it's appropriate to clap.
Madam Chair, another point of privilege.
Go ahead, Mr. Mayor.
Yeah, just for reference, when you are looking for the Chief of Staff, the new Chief of Staff, her office will be in the library.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Okay, we are now going to conduct the swearing in for the 2 executive appointments.
With people how we don't understand what we're going through, so let's do an advisory board instead of reaching out to the community and asking for volunteers, asking to put together some sort of a program that says maybe we can go out and hand out stuff, give out some meals. I haven't seen that from any of you. I have, however, seen Mr. Dave Bronson over there drop his big brass balls on your face today, and I just wanted to say that that was strict gangster. Strict gangster. Strict gangster. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your testimony. Welcome.